I am struggling with this teeth. It's almost gone. Come on, you got a little bit more left in you. All prepped. Now we just gotta paint. Debating if that's today or tomorrow. It's like 3:30. Not a lot of sunlight left out there, but pretty soon. Let's do it. Fit check. First impressions. Cute. Primer's up. We are going for our first coat of the main color, which is Dove. White Dove is my favorite paint color right now, so hopefully it stays that way. All right, I'm gonna paint my white, and then I'll tape off the lower part and then paint the green. Here's coat number 1. So I got the second coat of my white Dove up on my smooth wall, and it looks so good. These colors that I've chosen, I'm going to show you today, but this will be the main color of the walls. But about 7 inches down from the ceiling, we're going to go with this color, which I've used before. It's called Vintage Vogue, and I love it. So that's going to bring this room basically down. When you're looking at it, when you're in here, it won't feel so tall and open and wide, but more cozy. So with all my lighting and then this color on the ceiling, I'm really excited for that color to go up. But I wanted to treat this door a little special because you will be facing it when you're checking in. And in front of this door is our custom marble counter, which is a viola marble. It has green and maroon. So we're gonna go with the Moody Fig on this door, and we're gonna deck it out with trim. So that'll be that. This is the Joanna Gaines Castle Edition color. I snagged this off the shelf so fast, so I'm excited to get that one up too. But basically we'll have these 3 colors and then variants of the colors incorporated through the room with our dark stained wood. So this is our primary color, our secondary ceiling color, and then the accent color. So this will be in the sills and the door and the counters. Okay, so I've cleaned up this vanity pretty good while working on the bathroom behind me. I'm so close to being done, but I kind of think I don't want to put that back up. That could all be used for better storage. panic attack. I've been working on getting these guys mounted, which has not been super easy because I have to make sure they line up with the groove below so that I can glue this guy in. And in doing so, I didn't put in my plastic track cover beforehand on this, and they don't slide in from the sides. So on the next one, I looked at what that might look like. However, with the track now it doesn't sit flush. So I tried taking a groove out, and that works, and I really don't like that or having to do more work. So because sometimes it takes me a minute to wrap my brain around something, instead I just cut these to fit in between. Probably should have thought of that first, but we're gonna just cut them in between, and you can't even tell the difference. And that way my lighting can slide in, these can sit flush, don't have to backtrack. One row is done, on to the next. This is so we can countersink. Moment of truth. I glued these together the other day, yesterday. Now I get to see if it worked. Okay. So far so good. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Sweet. Okay, I also got example key. Oops. And then the tags. So these will go. And the keys will be displayed underneath. I think that looks sweet. Brass everything. So now I still have to attach that one, and then the 4 here. But this will be the size of the whole unit. Kind of edge to edge. A few more pieces to put together.